So today we're going to do a little exercise and talk about the patch tool. So everyone will download this on Schoology. You'll download this image, and basically we're going to get rid of all the bubbles and make sure that it's one cohesive picture. So basically what the patch tool does is it removes large items as long as you have a sample of it. So right now when you download this image, what you want to do first is to duplicate the layer. So what I like to do before I ever start working on an image is I just duplicate it, because you never know if you need that image again and you want it in its original file. So what I'm going to do is go to my background layer and I'm going to hit Control J. Now I have my layer on top of my background, and the patch tool is probably under your spot healing brush. And then the patch tool is the third one. So you want to click on the patch tool, and as soon as you click on the patch tool, you'll notice your options appear. So there's two options. There's a normal and then content aware. The most I do use is just setting it on normal, putting it on source, and then not checking the transparent mode because I don't really want it to be transparent. So for instance, here's my bubble right here, and let's say you want to get rid part of your image. You want to grab your patch tool, and then it's going to act like a little marquee tool. You're going to select that part of the image, and in order to use the patch tool, you have to click within the marching ants and then scoot it over wherever you want it. So now this is where your artistic eye kind of comes in, and you want to make sure that wherever you do click, it makes it pretty nice, especially around like the edges. Like for instance, there was like a little black spot right here. So maybe you want to find another black spot so that it looks like it wasn't even supposed to be there. Let's say you do have these little hard edges. What you can do is use the patch tool again and then move it so that you're able to just fix it a little bit. And what you want to do is, for this exercise, is you're going to get rid of all these bubbles. What I don't want to see is like really hard edges and making it look like you really used the patch tool. Let's try to make this image look as if you did not even use the patch tool. Once you are finished, you will be exporting it as a JPEG and then importing it into Schoology for a grade. It is under Classwork, under Bubble Patch Tool. And then you will submit it as a JPEG, and make sure you do that before you go into your other assignments so that you don't forget about this one.